So in today's video, we're going to talk about how you can download the Ticket CheckIn app, as well as how you can set it up so that your ticket event appears within the app. So the first thing you want to do is head to your ticket dashboard and select Event, CheckIn App Setup. And the first two things you'll see are two QR codes. One is for Apple devices and one is for Android devices. If you scan the QR codes, this will bring you within the App Store for each types of devices and allow you to download the Ticket CheckIn app. This may be useful if you have a lot of volunteers. You can have a QR code sign ready to go so that when your volunteers show up, you can just show them the QR code, and they can scan it, get the app downloaded, and get their day started. You can also copy the URL. So if you want to send any of your volunteers an email prior to the event, you can do this and also include that specific URL. You can also include the QR code in those emails as well. The next thing you want to do to get your ticket event within the app is you'll want to set a start date as well as an end date for check-in. Now, whatever date you put in for the start, if it's before that date, your event will not show up within the ticket app. Similarly, if it's after the check-in end date, your event will not show up within the app. So your event will only appear within the app in between the start and the end date. Now, we get this question a lot in support where maybe events are going to be testing out the check-in app just to make sure everything looks good prior to their event. If you do this, you'll want to make sure your check-in start date lines up with when you're testing. Maybe you're testing a week prior to your event. Make sure your check-in start date is a week prior to your event. So we're going to test today, even though the event is in July, and we're going to back this up to March and allow us to be able to test this out. The next thing you want to do is set up a shared password. This is going to be the password that volunteers are going to enter in order to get into your event. And if you want to make sure you remember your password, you can add a password hint. This is optional. And then we'll save our settings. Now, if you happen to forget your password and you didn't add your optional password hint, if you do need to reset your CheckIn app password, simply come back into this specific page here on your ticket dashboard, and you can retype a new password, save your settings, and now your password has been updated. And now your event is going to appear within the CheckIn app.
All right, so now that that's all set up, I'm going to open up the app on my phone, and I'm going to search for my event. Summer Sounds, there it is. Now we put in the password, and we'll log in, and now you can start checking people in. And we have other videos that you can check out to learn more about the check-in process.